Can't wait to open. Let's see what we have here. A sip of the high plains. This is wine country. Okay, so we have a nice tote, Texas Plains Wine Trail. Texas High Plains Wine Trail. Okay, nice. Then we have your guide to Lubbock, Texas. A little passport. Places to eat and drink. And to relax if you ever visit Lubbock. Have a Texas High Plains Wine Trail sticker. A Texas High Plains Wine Trail wine cork. And a serving tray, charcuterie board, cutting board. It says it has a deep juice groove, a leatherette carry handle, and it's a natural bamboo multi-purpose board. And it also says Texas High Plains Wine Trail right here in the bottom left-hand corner. And here's the juice groove and the leather handle. And it came in this fabulous box. Let's see here. Savor the fruit of the high plains.